In this video, we're going to take a look at Traverse PC interfacing with CAD Layouts. This is new in TPC Desktop 2025. Now, not all of you even use CAD, but those of you who do have asked for some greater compatibility, particularly with layouts and viewports. So I'm going to show you that I'm going to export this particular site survey to CAD, and let's take the layouts that we get. I'm going to start here by drawing a rectangle because I want to further clip this survey space. Let's just draw a rectangle from here over to here, make it as big as I want. And then I'm going to select that rectangle and right-click and choose Clip to Survey. Now, two things that are different in TPC 2025 are, one, I can use a paper space object to clip the survey. That corresponds better with viewports in the CAD layouts. And then there's a new dialog box that takes care of clipping the layers for me, or identifying which layers want to respond to that clipping. And I'm going to choose the second one that says all layers with survey space. And so it just does a real fast job of clipping that for me. Now, I want to tell Traverse PC, go ahead and export this as a drawing. And I'm going to tell I want to do a CAD drawing. I can pick whatever settings I want. And I'm just going to say, go ahead and export that. And I'll overwrite the one that I did just a moment ago. And let's first of all preview this in the CAD view. Remember I said that Traverse PC now supports layouts. And we do this even in the CAD view. Let me just drag this over here for you. So what comes up in Traverse PC is actually the layout that I wrote. And it's a layout called Site. So I still have the model space in here, and I can zoom extents to model space and window and whatever I want to do with that. But I also have this site layout. Great thing about that then is that everything is paper space in this layout, just like it was paper space in the Traverse PC drawing. There's a viewport that corresponds directly to the clip rectangle that I created for my drawing. And it's that viewport then that lets me scale everything inside of this. In fact, I can turn this layout out of paper space and see how the border gets bright or dark. So now I can zoom, pan, move this all over inside of the viewport, just like I would expect to do in CAD. So a pretty nice little feature right inside here. But you might have your own CAD viewer, and I want to show you what that looks like here then. Let's cancel that command and then close this out. I'm going to tell Traverse PC that I want to preview this in a CAD program. And I've got a little CAD program called ProgiCAD here. Let's let it load this up for us. Okay, so here's our layout in ProgiCAD. A lot of CAD programs have a tab, so this is the Site tab, and that layout name is the same name as the drawing in Traverse PC. So I've got my layout here just like I would in the CAD viewer, but I'm going to go to the model space, and let's do a zoom extents. Let's go ahead and window around this site area here, and I'm just going to stick it in a 3D orbit here so you can kind of just see that here's our survey information in the red. That's our lot lines and our annotations and the lot label. The white rectangle down there is just the raster image it doesn't show. And then here's all my 3D contours up here in CAD. So Traverse PC plays really, really nicely with CAD in model space. It's always done that. But the addition now is that now I've got the ability to come over into the site layout as well. Just want to click on that. There we go. I have to get out of the command. And now I come back to the site, and I can pan around, I guess, and just see what all's in there for the site as well. Okay, so new in Traverse PC is the ability to take a drawing that I've always been able to export to CAD, but now in addition to exporting the model space, it also exports that drawing as a layout using the drawing name as a layout name in CAD.